It's an everyday thing. It's an everyday thing. It's an everyday thing when you let your nuts hang.
What it do, everyday people, man? It's your boy PJ. Today we back with another lit video, back in the bathroom for another lit vlog. Now today we have none other than the FlexSeries shaving kit, okay? This is an electric rotary shaver designed for your head, scalp safe. It's the Freebird, you understand what I'm talking about? This is the Freebird. This comes from Freedom Grooming, okay? So remember, whenever you use Freedom Grooming, you use my code everydaypj. But anyway, let's open this up and see what we can get out of here. Okay, welcome to the family. Okay, so welcome to the family. Tag us in a photo or a video to be featured, okay? That's what I did pretty much. All right, so now we have the Freebird, okay? This Freebird comes with the 5 blades, comes with the exfoliator and the scrub brush. We have a charger because you know it's wireless, and we have the nose trimmer. Ooh. And your boy know he needed one of these. Freebird, okay? Your inner barber is calling, so check that out, okay? So it's the Freebird. Let this charge up. It say charge up for like 30 minutes to an hour or something like that. I don't remember. But it says do not charge overnight. Man, you don't need to. You don't even use it that long. What it do, everyday people, man? It's your boy PJ, and we are here back with another lit video. So let's get started, man. So I've already hit you with the introduction. Showed you what we have in the box. Now we're gonna start with the precision clipper. If you don't know what the precision clipper is, it's this one right here. Okay, that's the precision clipper. Now, as you can see, your boy's hairline is pushed back further than some of y'all was in middle school. You know what I'm saying? Y'all was pushed back. Let's get into it. I'm finna show y'all how I get my haircut, and let's see how good this precision clipper works, okay? All right, I'm gonna do this where you can see this. I'm gonna use this precision clipper, and let's go on through that hairline. And, oh. Yeah, it's getting it. It's getting it. Let me go ahead and you're gonna see me cut the rest of it. As you can see, it's cutting around the ears very smooth. And what I want to do, I want to use this to just get a very low cut. I want to just get a very low cut, so when I use my 5-blade rotary shaver, when I use a 5-blade rotary shaver, the hair will just, you know, it'll be easy to cut with the 5-blade rotary shaver because it's so low. Okay, let's check the results of the 5-blade rotary shaver. As you can see, I may have missed some spots. I'm not 100% on this, but the 5-blade rotary shaver did do a good job on the front, as I can see. Let's take a look at what the precision clipper did. It took my hair down just enough to now I could go over it with the 5-blade shaver. All right, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna detach that simply by pulling that off. Just go ahead, then you clip this in just like that. Simply. See those flex blades? Those flex with your head. I don't have the most perfect head. It goes right over the curves nicely. And I used to have a big gash in the back of my head, which yeah, you know, it cuts right over there. So let's get started. Yeah, look at that. So be sure to go at it at different angles, because what you want to do is you want to make sure that you're getting all that hair with the different, that goes in different directions. Because usually when you bald, your hair don't just lay down flat. Some might go up, some might go down, left and right. You see we got a nice clean shave. Let me see. It's very smooth. It's very smooth. Now, smooth enough that I can go out and get compliments on having a nice clean head every day. And it's only took 5 minutes. Get you a FlexSeries 5-blade rotary shaver at myfreebird.com. Use the discount code everydaypj. That's right, the discount code everydaypj. If you ever use Freedom Grooming, this is the same great product, but better experiences. You know what I'm saying? Same great product, long lasting battery life. We're talking about sharp 5-blade rotary shaver, the flexible blades. Okay, you can't beat this. It comes with all the products. You got your precision clippers, you got your exfoliator and your massager, your precision nose trimmer. You know what I'm saying? For you older guys that got them stragglers, get you some nose trimmers. And guess what? This is cordless and it's rechargeable, okay? So you can take this on the go with you, and be sure if you're on the website, get you a traveling kit. You can never go wrong with a traveling kit, man. If you put your traveling kit in your luggage, they're gonna be just throwing your luggage around, and then you're gonna pull up in your Freedom Groom. Your brand new device is gonna be busted up. You don't want that, so get the traveling kit. Trust me, guys. Trust me, you want the traveling kit, okay? Make sure you go visit myfreebird.com. Use the discount code everydaypj and get yours today, okay? This will be a great Christmas present for your dad, your mama, or your uncle. And sometimes your uncle, that's your auntie, whatever. Just get the shit, all right? Everyday people, man, holla at you later. Peace.